Hello my fellow Arknights, in this video I'm going to explain the Arknights Endfield controller support. So if you want to be able to play with a controller on Arknights Endfield, I have a very good information here for you. Or basically you can see here maybe I'm actually playing on my PS5, but if you're playing on your PC, then Arknights Endfield has actual controller support on your PC as well, so wired or Bluetooth should work fine. Xbox controllers usually work instantly. PlayStation controllers may need Steam input enabled, just so you know. So if your controller isn't detected, launch the game through Steam, toggle Steam input on and off for the game basically. Or you can unplug, replug, or repair Bluetooth and restart the game and try once again. So yeah, you should be able to play with your controller on Steam, on your PC on Steam basically. That should work, and it also of course works on Xbox and PS5. So yeah, basically that is my video. Hope you like it, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments.